Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about platforms in publishing. Platforms have become a very common term, perhaps overused or overapplied or misunderstood. Broadly, platforms can be defined, as the CEO of Applico did, as a business model that creates value by facilitating exchanges between two or more groups, usually consumers or producers, of a given value. In publishing, platforms can be applied in two different ways, to authors or to publishing companies. First, for authors, a platform, when applied to authors, broadly means the totality of the work they have written or published, along with their promotional efforts to sell books based on their credentials. In this instance, platform becomes more a concept than a place or a thing. In this sense, author platforms encompasses an author's message, branding, visibility, as well as the body of their work. In a different application, an author may use either the platform from Amazon, CreateSpace, or KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, or Ingram Spark, or Lightning Source as their vehicle to publish their book. Second, a publishing company may use the term platform as a synonym for their website, or more likely to encompass the body of their digital or publishing offerings. Their use of the term likely includes the connection or interfacing with their readers or customers, and could include their social media efforts. It might also include apps and other digital offerings. A platform can also mean, to some, a set of tools, environment, or infrastructure. To most, it's a broad net that includes many moving parts, not just a website or a list of books. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me at riverwindsconsulting.com with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the link to see a video about content hubs. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.